Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Desi. A baby balloon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. Yay! You're 3. You're 3 today. 1, 2, 3. 3 years old today, Desi. Happy birthday, baby. Balloon and cake day. Balloon and cake day. Skylar, can you say happy birthday to Desi?
I'm gonna go back to my room.
Could you say happy birthday to Desi though, please? Say happy birthday, Desi.
Happy birthday, Desi.
Good. Thank you, buddy.
I'm gonna go back to my body.
Okay. Your brother has the party music on already. You got your baby balloon? In the stroller.
Daddy's trying to fix my tablet.
That's right.
Yeah, it's broken.
Yeah, it got broken. Well, Daddy's fixing it.
Yep.
Yep.
It's so quiet in here. Turn some music on, please.
It's quiet in here, but you got your piano just blasting. I can't hear your piano.
And then that.
Kitty likes your baby balloon too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can hear it with
Happy birthday, doll. Mommy loves you. So does your brother.